Jamaica, its capital, 3 counties, 14 parishes, and their capitals. Did you know Jamaica is more than just beaches and reggae? Let's break it down real quick. Jamaica's capital, Kingston. It's not only the capital city, it's also a parish and home to Bob Marley, Dance Hall, and Jerk Chicken. Jamaica has 3 counties, Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey, but here's the twist. They're historical, they don't govern anything. Now the real deal, 14 parishes. Quick flash list with capitals: Kingston, capital, Kingston. St. Andrew, capital, Halfway Tree. St. Catherine, capital, Spanish Town, Clarendon, capital, Maypen. Manchester, capital, Mandeville. St. Elizabeth, capital, Black River. Westmoreland, capital, Savannah-Lamar. Hanover, capital, Lucea. St. James, capital, Montego Bay. Trelawney, capital, Falmouth. St. Anne, capital, St. Anne's Bay. St. Mary, capital, Port Maria. Portland, capital, Port Antonio. St. Thomas, capital, Morant Bay. From Mo Bay to Morant Bay, Jamaica is packed with hidden gems and bold history. How many parishes have you visited? Drop your answer in the comments. Rock a ZNT Extra, free wise of culture.